Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Finder. Click its dock icon or press Command-N. Once open, pick a view that fits your goal: icon for visuals, list for sorting, column for hierarchy, gallery for previews. Make sure the sidebar shows key locations like desktop, documents, and applications so you can jump around quickly. You're preparing the workspace. This reduces clicks later and makes navigation predictable. Now that the view and sidebar are set, move to locating and organizing files. You'll now locate and categorize items. Press Command-F or use the search field and refine by kind, date, or name so results are precise. Once you find files, right-click to add tags, get info for details, or move them to target folders. Tags let you group items across multiple folders. Also create smart folders that update automatically based on rules. That saves time later. By combining search, tags, and smart folders, you build a system that keeps files easy. Finish by performing final actions and sharing. Select an item and use the preview pane or quick actions to rotate, markup, or convert without opening apps. Drag files to folders, stacks, or external drives, or use Command-C and Command-V to copy. Hold Command while dragging to move. When sending, choose Mail, AirDrop, or Add to Notes directly from Finder. If something won't open or transfer, check Get Info for permissions and ownership. Fix read/write access there and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.